Hi everyone, especially to Sarli Arcayos. This is my explanation about the steps to take in case of ship damage, the various actions to regain stability and counter-checking the effectiveness of such action. Ship can experience damage because of collision, grounding, bad weather, fire or flooding. When this happens, the crew must act quickly to keep the ship safe and prevent it from sinking or capsizing. Proper actions and continuous checking are very important during emergencies. So the first steps to take in case of ship damage is the sound the alarm. The first steps is to inform everyone on board about the emergencies. And the purpose is to alert the crew, prepare for emergency actions, keep everyone safe. Check the damage. The crew must inspect the damage area to know where the damage is, where water is entering the ship, if there is fire or structural damage, and close watertight doors. Watertight doors and openings should be closed immediately to stop water from spreading to other compartments. Inform the captain and authorities. The captain must be informed right away. If the damage is serious, distress signal should be sent to nearby ship and coast guards. The second action to regain stability. When a ship is damaged, it may tilt or become unstable. The crew must be take actions to balance the ship again. Counter flooding. Water may be added to the opposite side of the ship to reduce tilting. The purpose is to balance the ship, reduce listing, prevent capsizing. And the ballasting. Ballast water can transfer between tank to improve stability and balance. And pumping out water. Pumps are used to remove water from flooded compartments. And the purpose is to reduce flooding, improve buoyancy, keep the ship afloat. And secure the cargo. Lost or shifted cargo should be secured because it can make the ship unstable. And reduce speed or change course. The captain may slow down the ship or change direction to reduce the effect of strong waves and bad weather. And the third is counter-checking the effectiveness of actions. After taking corrective actions, the crew must continue checking if the ship is becoming unstable again. So the ways to check, monitor the ship's health or less, check water level in compartments, observe if flooding is increasing or decreasing, inspect the conditions of the ship, ensure pumps and ballast system are working properly. That's all. Thank you.